Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. And if you're new, hi, welcome to your girl's channel here on YouTube. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And for all my oldie but goodie subscribers, thank you for staying tuned, staying locked with your girl, and keeping up to date. So, a lot has been going on in Jamaica. And this particular thing that I'm going to talk about have not been put out there yet. So as you guys know, back in the day with the whole Tivoli Gardens Doodles thing, they were allegedly said to be a death squad that was supposed to capture Doodles coke, but people always talk about it, but it was always hush hush. But now a actual police officer who is being investigated and prosecuted is actually giving all the juicy tea, all the juicy details about a death squad that was operating in Clarendon, Jamaica. So let's get into this video. It says the image of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF took a battering on Wednesday following explosive and damning testimony by Assistant Commissioner of Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM. And as you guys know, INDECOM just won an award, okay, for being the great oversight body that it is for Jamaican people and Jamaican citizens, and making sure that these police and these other police personnel stay in line and stay in their boundaries. Hanish Campbell of the police personnel planting guns on victims, with some of their seniors being involved in the cover-up. The assertion were made in the ongoing murder trial of Police Constable Collis Chucky Brown in the Home Circuit Court. Campbell told the court that he was told by Brown during the meeting with him at INDECOM's New Kingston headquarters in August of 2013 that the Special Police Squad, also referred to as the Police Death Squad, which operated out of Clarendon, had the support of Criminal Investigation Branch CIB personnel. And CIB was the same one that had harsh criticism for INDECOM. So the CIB branch is also in cahoots with the JCF and the JCF Death Squad. Two peas in a pod. Who provide the special squad members with guns and strategically handle their crime scene investigations. You see how them people are wicked? So it was an arrangement with the same CIB officers who deal with the shootings, and would be the same CIB officers who would supply all of the guns, Campbell said. He also told the Home Circuit Court that Constable Brown told him the following extrajudicial killings involving squad members. Guns would be transported from Maypen Police Station and planted on victims. Campbell said Brown detailed how the squad members would meet at the station and make up evidence among themselves to ensure that their stories were consistent. This was reportedly done with the support of CIB personnel. Victims were reportedly killed by special squad members acting as actual police officers or working undercover, Campbell told this court. Squad members were said to have the first acting as rogue cops. Okay, so them lego them mad money pan Jamaican citizens for do whatever them want and plant gun pan innocent people, while them kill them, plant gun pan them, and some of them may not even be innocent, but they should have never killed them. Let Jamaica's court system do what it's supposed to do. Uno no judge, jury, or executioner. But let's continue. Squad members were said to have the first to have first begun acting as road cops, but later reverted to their substantive roles as uniformed members of the JCF after suspicions were raised about police personnel operating undercover. Importantly, the killings continue, Campbell told the court, based on his outline from the meetings with Brown. The Intercom top officer indicated that Brown revealed that a senior police officer supplied the special squad members with guns, which they would be able to take home. Brown is on trial for the murder of 21-year-old Robert Gotti Dawkins on Palmer's Cross Main Road in Clarendon 2009, Dwayne Douglas, Andrew Ferran in 2012, and also in Clarendon. The accused cop was acquitted of the murder in March of this year, but is also facing a charge of conspiracy to commit murder and wounding with intent. So this is a person that the Intercom have caught in the act, killing people and planting guns on them, and they work out a deal for that person, for Brown, to talk about everything that he knows and everything that's going on in the JCF as far as the death squad is concerned. So no one have proof, no one have evidence that these Jamaican cops are actually killing innocent people and planting guns on them, and the CIB branch is up in cahoots with them to their neck. This is the same branch that actually called Alkaline in for questioning. So all of the dancehall artists out there, be careful, be very, very careful. They're the same one that also asks for Movado to turn himself in. That's the same branch, and that, I think that's why Movado dropped Dancehall Prophecy also. But God, what must Jamaican people do to get a better police force? And when we talk about scrapping the JCF completely from the top to the bottom, this is what we mean when we say them need to scrap the JCF. Because not only the JCF is in cahoots, the CIB branch of the JCF, which is supposed to be higher up personnel than the JCF, they're the one that oversight investigation and make sure that whatever the police say happens and they're good. So CIB, JCF, and the whole of them, they plan to kill Jamaican citizens and plant gun upon them. Look, tell me now, Lord, what more wickeder set of police personnel do you need? I hope that the Intercom investigate everybody that Brown tell him about. I hope Intercom investigate everybody in the JCF and also in the CIB branch. And I hope they get what they deserve. They need to get some disciplinary actions, or better yet, just kick them out. Okay? Kick them out. Make them lose them pension and all of that. They're too dishonest. And when Jamaica put you in a public service place like a police officer, and they're paying their hard-earned taxes to pay on a salary, and this is what you choose to do to the Jamaican people and the Jamaican residents, we make sure that our family can eat, sleep, and have a good life. This is the repayment that Jamaican people get. And when we beat the JCF and talk about how the JCF needs to get scrapped, people talk about how they're still good members in the JCF. Yes, they're still good people in the JCF. But I did a story last year where a boy from the same Clarendon Maypen branch refused to do something that one of his senior cop told him to do. And you know what they did? They made sure they kicked him out of the force. So there probably is still good police officer in the police force, and they want to do good and they want to protect Jamaican people. But these senior cops and constables and all the higher ups in Jamaica Constabulary Force will refuse them and make sure they don't do good. You see what me talk about though? And when people talk about things like this, them talk about what they talk about Jamaica. What more do you need? What more evidence do you need for Jamaican Constabulary Force and the CIB branch to get scrapped on Dashway? Please comment in the comment section and tell me if this is what Jamaican people pay their hard-earned money for them to set up innocent, so maybe not even be innocent, but let Jamaica's court system take its course, lock them up and prosecute them and make sure them go to jail if that is the case. You know, judge, jury, and execution, like I said before. No police of it kill nobody and they plant gun upon them. But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you agree that the whole JCF need to be scrapped from top to bottom because the whole of them corrupt? Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuces. Wow.